around 9 months anyway. Now what's happening here is the rays know that biting on our hair actually does hurt us. So they'll grab Paul's attention by biting on his hair. Now luckily Paul's got quite short hair. For divers like Scott and Julie and Kelly, it is a little bit of a nightmare when the rays start pulling on their hair. It does hurt quite a lot. So you can see he's got a full-grown rat just there, and they're going to be feeding on them. And I'll get a few of them a day. Now these guys as well, they'll get fed about once or twice a day as well. Later on, we will be doing more amphitheatre shows, but instead of the ray feed, we feed things like our Cavelli Jack, our pork fish and the yellowtail snappers. So you want to see them getting fed, make sure you come back a bit later on. Now, these rays are getting a little bit too aggressive, so Paul's just going to simply push them out of the way until he deems it fit to feed. He's going to try and feed them. The rays are so bothered about what's in the bucket, they're not actually looking at the food that Paul's got in his hand. There we go. Now this is just the two females trying to get the food at the moment. The male seems to be happy, he's swam off, I think he's got enough food, so that's good of him. It's taken quite a long while actually. There's one, by the way, there's the little nurse shark just swimming past right there. Now, we do have a third large shark in here. If you do see him, okay, he's quite a beautiful shark. He's actually our lemon shark, known as Sunrise. So if you do see him in our tunnel, make sure you have a good look at him. Just remember, when you go through to the tunnel, okay, the image is reduced by about a third because of the way the window is curved. Now, he's going to try and feed more air. There's our male coming back now. He's obviously had some of his food. Are we all good to go, Paul? No, he's taking his time this morning. Now, as well as the three large types of sharks, okay, we do have more sharks as well, and they're actually in our nursery section of the tank. Now, the second part of the tunnel, okay, that first bit of it is actually where our nursery sharks are. So you'll see things like white and black tip reef sharks, a zebra shark, bamboo, and also some leopard sharks in there as well.